welcome back to our channel. Today guys, we're at Build-A-Bear and we have our bears, Cotton Candy and Bear. We're going on a shopping spree and yeah, but are you guys ready to go in? Because we're ready to go. We have a budget of $100. Maya has 50, I have 50, and we're really excited and yeah. Let's go! Do you guys want to follow us in or what are we gonna do? Yeah, come in with us. Come on.
Let's go.
So cool in here. $8 for a shirt?
Is that bad?
Yes. It's not bad for her. I think it's great. I mean, guys, this basket is so cute. And our bears can ride in it. It's so big, the bears can both ride in it together. It's like a little car seat for them. Stitch, Yoda,
Oh, cute.
bunnies.
Oh, those are little like slipper flip-flops. Look at all these cute outfits. Look, Maya, princess dresses. I found them. Oh my gosh.
You have Roa and Belle and Elsa and Moana. And Tinkerbell. Sing.
What are we gonna get?
Sing what?
So we have Moana,
We have
Elsa. We'll come to that in a second. Should we get Aurora so when you go to Bibbidi Bobbidi, you guys can match?
Look.
That's so cute.
Yeah, they have forks.
Oh, how cute. That's not a fork.
Cute little shoes. A dingle hopper. Cute little shoes.
All right, so we're going to get Aurora for Maya,
Mommy,
for Bear.
Mommy, how $20 are these shoes?
Those shoes are probably 12. No, 9. That's not bad. But do you want the pink shoes for Aurora? You see these pink ones?
Yeah.
These are cute, right? Does that go?
Like the high heels.
Oh, she has high heels maybe. Is that what we want?
Yeah.
They are so, they look like your heels. That's
Mommy,
the one that
look.
Cotton Candy has, yeah.
Oh, hey, look, a cute little brush. I think I need that.
You think you need a brush?
Baby.
Okay.
These cute little headbands. I don't
Maya, do you want some more princess stuff?
Mommy, look.
Look, they have wings.
Mommy, what crown?
Where's their crown?
Right here. There's the crown for Easter.
That's perfect.
Mama,
Yeah.
she wants this for Easter and she wants a coat.
Oh, cute.
I don't need a coat.
Oh, no, for her Bear. This is
Does
for Cotton Candy. So
Mommy,
that's $14.50.
Yeah.
These are separate.
They are?
Yes.
Do I need that? Well, I want to get them both.
I believe they're separate. $13.50. Oh, maybe not. Yeah, they do. Oh, no. That's $15.
Wait, Mommy. I don't think I need this. It
That's
will
the
work.
one. That's the one we have already.
Mini cotton candy.
Stop it. That's so cute.
I think I need this.
How much? Right here. So they're $12.50.
And Mommy, I'm getting it. Princess.
That's so cute.
And then how much is this coat? Princess. You want to have these so cute little shoes? They're so pretty. Maya, how 20 is these shoes?
Those shoes are probably $10, but we already have a pink pair.
Mama, look, I found a $5 Happy Easter shirt for her. Cotton Candy can get a bag to put her mini in on her back.
That's so cute. How much is the bag?
$5.
That's not bad. That's
Okay,
adorable.
these are must-have.
Okay, put them in the basket.
Those are staying.
Okay.
I want to carry her. She's so cute. And she's like Beanie. Look, feel her.
Oh, cute. Yeah, so she can sit. It's got a weighted butt.
Look, she's the exact same.
That is so cute.
She's literally Cotton Candy's baby.
I love that.
I'm so glad I found this.
I love that.
Mommy, look at this
Oh my
cute
God.
little sippy cup. Yeah, I was gonna say that. I love
Stanley.
that. And look, backpacks, which maybe not, but
They have the granny outfits.
but we don't have Bluey and Bingo, so that wouldn't work as good.
But that. Wow.
I said
You want that?
floppy. They
Okay.
have floppy.
That's so cute. It's a bed and a chair. So look, you want to put, so you can be a bed, or you fold it up,
Yep. Or it can be.
and they can sit in it. Yeah. Is that so cute? But that's a lot of money, so a lot of your budget would have to go to the chair.
Well,
You have $50, and this chair is probably at least $25.
because I have it.
It's too much, I think.
But it's cute.
It is, but I don't think he needs a chair. Let's get more accessories.
Yep. But we think we need more princess stuff. $6. And then anything I think I want, I'll put in here, and then we'll narrow it down at the end.
Okay.
And we need a Rapunzel dress too.
All 3 of them? I don't know if we have enough for all of that.
What I think I'm gonna get is this. Where are the bows? This.
Wow.
This. Pants. More pants. And a shirt.
Well, I don't know if we have enough for all this. Let's see.
Accessories.
These are all sissy stuff. Go ahead and throw them
Put
in.
them in there.
And then Maya, you have the cutest stuff. You have 2 crowns. You have 2 pairs of shoes and 2 dresses. That's so fun.
We're gonna put them in there.
Okay.
Alright guys, so we're just walking around a little, make sure there's nothing else we really want, but yeah. The Easter ears would be really cute, but you can only wear it once a year, so it might be a waste.
Yeah.
I need the suitcase.
Yeah, that's a must.
The suitcase.
You can put it up on the table quick if you want.
Okay. So where's the suitcase? The suitcase. Mommy, I really my bearer.
We will once we pay for it.
Those I really need, and then this I think I really want. Like, look at that on her. Look at it. So cute.
That is cute.
She's right here.
Stop.
Mommy,
Maya, they have a mini bear.
it was the last one too.
Look, it's a mini.
Look, it matches. It can be the baby bear.
It's baby bear, yeah.
I think it's you with the rainbow bear because she's rainbow.
Do we need it? I don't think so.
Dad, man, I think we don't need it.
We don't need it, yeah.
I need my mini. All I need is this little shirt, this skirt, this, and this. And then this I can put back maybe.
Those are cute.
I like it, but I want to buy it. I'm fishing, but I want the princess.
Okay.
I need princess.
Did we get everything we wanted?
Yep. So we need a couple more things. I like a princess.
We do. Oh, don't leave bear over here though.
These 2 outfits are really cute.
Oh, they are super cute.
And then that goes
How much are they though?
And Mommy, I need some more
15.
princess stuff. 9.
No, it's okay. It's just a tiny bit over budget. Are we ready?
Yeah. All right, guys, let's go pay because I think we have
Maya?
like a lot of stuff. It's really cute. I love it all. And yeah, so let's go.
Let's go see the damage.
Yeah.
This is your bag. Wow. Hold it down.
I want to take my bear.
Oh, do you want to get your bear dressed? Can we take one of the outfits over to the dressing room? Yeah. Yeah? Okay, awesome. You guys can each put an outfit on them, okay? Thank you very much. There's your bag.
All right, guys, so now that we've got all the stuff, we're going to get them dressed. And don't worry, we already bought it. Maya, why are you opening it for us?
All right, so just pick one outfit you want to put on her, okay?
The rest of it I can put in the suitcase.
You want to put the Aurora dress on her? Yep. Okay.
It was so cute on
All right,
her.
here's her dress.
So cute.
Oh, cute. All right, Maya, can you just put her arms through the holes, and then you're gonna Velcro it in the back.
Mom, I cute. And guys, look, it even has a little hole for their tail.
Oh, cute. Look at Bear's dressed as Aurora. You want her shoes on? You want her shoes? Yeah. Look at these cute little heels. They are so cute.
Watch out, dude.
You're gonna do it? Go ahead, you can try.
Look, my bear's a princess.
Oh, she looks so pretty. Do you like it? Yeah.
Guys, we're getting mine dressed, and this is what she's gonna wear. So cute, right? And then we're gonna put my Minnie in her dress.
That's so cute, Leah. Oh, look at little. What are we naming her?
Cotton
Kitty.
Cotton Kitty, yeah.
All right, let's see them. Cute.
Now my turn.
Let me see, girls. Give them a squeeze.
Alright guys, so we're done shopping now, and I like the bears and their little outfits, and yeah, so we went a little bit over budget, but that's okay. We are okay. Hope you guys had fun coming along to Build-A-Bear with us. So thanks for coming,